Hey, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of this new Grabie scrapbook kit. It is called Flavor Folio. And if you know anything about me, you know that I love food-related stickers and papers and all of that. And I'm so excited to dig into this. It looks so cute from the box, and I haven't peeked yet because it is wrapped up in there. I tried. The link to this box is in the video description, and if you use code planningwithbumble, you can save 15% off your order at Grabie. Grabie always has some great stuff. It's always high quality, so like I said, very excited to dig into this. I am going to save this box and keep everything in here because it's so cute. All right, the Flavor Folio. So the scrapbook boxes are always full of like papers and stickers and washi tape and all sorts of scrapbook type items that of course you can use in your planners and your journals. It is basically a stationery box. By the way, thank you to Grabie for sending this to me. They're not sponsoring this video, but they did send this to me for free, so I always appreciate that. Okay, right away, this is so cute. Look at this little orange sticky pad. Oh my gosh, I love this. Something, oh, it's not sticky, wait. No, it's just papers. It's just little pieces of paper. Something about citrusy things always gets, I don't know, gets me very excited. I'm a little weird like that. All right, we're gonna pull this aside and check out everything one at a time. Like I said, we have these orange papers. Oh look, you can make it look like this. Yeah, you can sit it on your desk. Very cute. We have a bunch of doilies. This is going to be great for junk journaling. I can tell you that right away. But we can make little like meals probably with our doilies. Also, crumbs everywhere. This is a little 3D display of like a little store. I'm not going to put it together right now, but it has like little chalkboard sign and little products and things in here, I think. And it looks like that when you're finished. What is this? I feel like it's got to be die cut stickers, right? Let's see. Or maybe just little cutouts of some sort. Oh, how cute are these? Wait, are these stickers? Yes, these are sticky, but they're like thicker, like cardstock. You get spoons and forks with bows. Actually, you get a whole place setting because here's the knives. And then here are your plates. So pretty, like really cool. I love these. They feel very like cottagecore, you know what I mean? So you get 2 of each plate. Ooh, if I don't use these for my junk journal, I'm gonna save these for when my granddaughter gets older and we can like play Tea Party or something with them. But these are so cute. I really like those. You get a Grabie sticker with it. And then you get this collage book. And I love their collage books. I have 2 of them so far. They're always chock full of like papers and stickers and all sorts of cutouts and activities in here. So let's see what we have. A little message for you talks about the things that are in the book. Morning prelude, bread, coffee, and the start of a day. Okay, how cute is this? You can put little food stickers in your little refrigerator. I know there's gonna be food stickers in here, of course. And you can make a little scene. This feels like when I was a kid and I used like color forms or little sticker books. I'm a kid at heart, you guys. I just am. Okay, we have our pastry stickers here. Lots of breads and pretzels and all sorts of things. A bakery shop. You could totally take these and put them on the other side, you know, or put these in there. Use your imagination, but these are so cute. For some reason, I really like photo stickers. I know not everyone does. I'm a big fan of photo type stickers, and that's what these breads are, and cookies. Everything in these books is double-sided, like all the pages, so you can use bits and pieces of all of it. Look at these stickers, you guys. I think these are like washi stickers maybe. Yeah, these are washi tape stickers, so they're easy to like pull up and put back down if you make a mistake. But we have loaves of bread, we have some jam, some utensils. These are very, very matte. Like these stickers have a little bit of a sheen to it. It's not like super shiny, but definitely a sheen. And this is like totally matte, which I like better. Breakfast, you can cut out the little pieces of bread and like put whatever you want on them. You know what I mean? Are you kidding me? We have all of the levels of toast. And I don't know about you, but this is my level. I like my toast a little bit darker. Whoever wants this piece of toast, you might need some therapy, just saying, but, and this one too. I'm obviously just kidding, but like, who would want that? That is so burnt. Each of these punch out. And here's your little toaster. You can put your pieces of bread in the toaster. This is so cute, you guys. These cutouts to me always feel like paper dolls, kind of, you know? So we have a bunch of breads here. And these are punch outs as well. They're tags. You can play store. This says sandwich. I think you cut these out to make your own sandwich. I think they're punch outable. I'm not sure. And then a coffee page, because of course we need a coffee page for a coffee shop. Another page like this. Are these stickers? Yes. These are washi stickers. Sometimes it's hard to tell what they are. These ones are punch outs. Again, paper dolls in coffee form. And we have a really cute piece of paper. More paper. And you can like cut these up. You like take this and cut this out if you didn't want the background, you know. I could definitely see, like I said, using these in my junk journal or my creative journal. I felt they feel like very creative, you know. So you have a double-sided piece of paper here. You could cut these out if you wanted to, or you could use this side. These ones are washi stickers. You have like a full meal going on here. Looks yummy. And then a piece of paper. More paper. And now we're into iconic bites, burgers, fries, and the texture of pop culture. Okay, this is gonna make me hungry. Look how cute that is. I love like the ingredients on the top. So cute. And a sesame seed page. It's like a bun. Double-sided bun. That doesn't look very good to me, but like I like my bacon crispy. You know what I mean? This is like slimy bacon, which is not, I'm not a fan of that. And it's double-sided slimy bacon. I won't be using that page. If you like your bacon like that, go for it. And then this is like lettuce. Okay, wait, we're putting a sandwich together. This is so cute. Look at, it's a burger coming next. No, the cheese. Lettuce again. Tomatoes again. Bread. There's no burger. We're just making a cheese bacon. Maybe like a BLT with cheese if we want. This is really cute though. I can think of lots of different ways to use these. Okay. More stickers here, fast food stickers. This is when I start getting hungry. We have an alphabet page, but it's fries. It doesn't look like these are stickers, but the letters are. There's our burgers. Make your own burger for sure. You could write notes about your burger there. Oh wait, yeah, you can pop these out. These are cutouts, punch outs, I should say. French fries. Also punch outs, so you can make your own fries, and chips punch outs, and more chip punch outs. And this is tomato vellum paper. So cool. That looks like a kiwi in like newspaper. This is cute. Look at this. Oh, I really like that one. Vellum paper is like a little hard to work with, but I do really like it. Natural Bounty, produce, cans, and picnic leisure. Okay, we have vegetable stickers here, fruits and vegetables. And then a salad page. Look at these. These are so cute. I'm going to be making so many food spreads. You guys are going to be sick of food. These are also stickers, I think. Are these stickers? They're washi tape stickers, yes. These are adorable. Are these salami? Not a fan of that. But I like salami. I don't eat processed meats that much, but like this looks gross to me. Sorry, Grabie. And then we have some cheeses. I do love those. And then you can punch this out, make your own little cheese board. Make a charcuterie. These are all stickers, so you can practice your charcuterie skills. And then we have some cans like tuna, shrimp, all sorts of things, pickles. These are stickers. And then sardines, which I know are very good for you, but I'm kind of afraid to eat them. But yeah, these are punch outs. And a pizza page. You can punch out the pizza too, at least this piece. And then we have some apples. That's just paper. And then something punches out on this paper, but it's hard to tell what it is. Or maybe it's a sticker. Let's see. These are washi tape strips. How cute are these? I really like them. I like the soft colors. It really is hard to tell if something's a sticker or paper or what, but it feels a little bit thicker, so that's why I investigated. This page is so cute with the little picnic tablecloth and all of the little note pages. And then we have a blue one here and a yellow one. Each of these is an individual sticker. Sweet hours, pastries, frosting, and celebratory joy. Oh, desserts. You guys, I am getting hungry. What time is it? It's 11:08. I'm going to be needing lunch after this. I love gingham, so the fact that there's so much gingham in here makes me so happy. And I'm a sucker for cookies. When I'm trying to eat well, cookies are my downfall, for sure. I think this is just cardstock. We have some yummy looking dessert stickers here. And more of them. Are these stickers or punch outs? I think these are punch outs and these are stickers. And we can make a box of cookies. So you can punch out all of these little elements and then put the cookies in the box. How cute. I'm pretty sure this is paper. So cute though. And waffles, these are punch out waffles. And these are punch out. They are cinnamon rolls, also my downfall. And all the fruit is individual punch outs. So you can like put them on your waffles. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh. I would have loved this when I was a kid too. Like I really would have loved this. These are pretty. They're like watercolor desserts. It's just paper, not punch outs. You could totally make like a recipe page on here for chocolate chip cookies or another kind of cookies or baked goods or something. Or on this one even, you could like write around it. Here's a fortune cookie page. And another page. It looks like these are probably made to like write recipes on. I'm not sure, but you could. Although this is, oh, these are individual strips, sorry. But you can punch these out too. And then these are all punch outs. I gotta take my sweatshirt up. For some reason, this is making me hot. I don't know why. I always seem to get hot when I'm filming videos. Like, I'm totally fine when I'm like walking around the house or whatever and I have a sweatshirt on the whole time. And then I start filming and for some reason I get like overheated. Sorry about this. I'm just trying to hold the page. Overheated and I don't know like why I'm doing this. Like, trouble regulating temperature. I know it's like hormonal or something, but yeah. Not that you care. You're here for the book. Tools, tableware, and the stage of cooking. So these are punch outable. So cute. Oh, look, these are cute too. You can't punch these out. That's my only complaint about these books. Like this is so cute, but there's punch outs on the back. So even if you use this as like a regular page or you try to cut out around these, it's going to be maybe a little weird because it might like break in pieces, you know? Because I like this page better than this one. I do really like that mixer though. I wish I had gotten a light blue mixer. Mine is like a cobalt blue, but I got it in like 1994 or something. Anyway, these are also punch outs. Lots of baking stuff. Oh, these are recipes. I didn't even realize that. Guacamole, gazpacho, baked sweet potato. I never thought to put beans on my sweet potato. Does anybody do that? This is paper. So cute. And a frying pan you can put stuff on. Here's another great page you can use for writing a recipe on. More paper here. And more paper. Oh wait, these are like cut into quadrants, so you can cut these apart. Same with these probably. No, these are punch outs. The plates are so pretty. Pretty sure these are stickers. You can have a little tea party. So cute, you guys. I love this. These are vellum jars. I love those. And little frames with food. Ooh, that's pretty. And then I guess these could be like little recipe cards or whatever you need them for. But these, I think, are punch outable, or maybe you just cut them out along the lines, I guess. Okay, what is this? It's a little bookmark. It says, "Hey Grabie friends, get ready for some magnetic fun. Collect a unique Grabie magnetic bookmark with every collage book and unlock a world of awesome rewards. Collect 6 bookmarks for a $20 Grabie gift card. Collect all 12 for a surprise prize." I don't know if my other ones came with this. This might be something new that they just started, because I don't think the other ones did come with it. This is really cute. Oh, why did I go right to that page? I don't like that page. You can mark your page with this cute little croissant. Ooh, I'm going to use this too, because like even that's cute, the paper it came on. All right. That's everything in the Flavor Folio box. And I think it's really adorable, you guys. I wanted to make a spread with this in this video, but I'm kind of out of time. It is Tuesday the 17th, and I'm putting this up tonight, and I just want to make sure I get a video out to you guys. I'm a little bit behind because of the whole granddaughter visit. They were here for 3 weeks out of the last like 5 or 6 weeks, and as much as I love it, it did put me quite behind. So anyway, I hope you guys like this. Don't forget, the link is in the video description. Thank you so much for using my links, and don't forget to use that code. It will save you 15% off. Okay, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys have a great day and a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.